Click on the link below to get price. The Juki Heavy Material Industrial Straight Stitch Sewing Machine, Table and Servo Motor presents a robust solution for those engaged in heavy-duty sewing tasks. Known for its durability and performance, this machine is designed to cater to professionals and serious hobbyists who require a reliable tool for working with thick fabrics and multiple layers. At first glance, this sewing machine impresses with its sturdy construction, which is essential when working with heavy materials like denim, canvas, or upholstery fabrics. The industrial design not only emphasizes strength but also enables consistent performance over extended periods, making it suitable for high-volume projects. The included table is thoughtfully designed to provide ample workspace, further accommodating larger materials and making the sewing process more efficient. The key feature of the Juki machine is its straight stitch capability, which is known for delivering precise and uniform stitches. This is particularly beneficial for projects that demand accuracy and strength, such as garment construction or heavy fabric repairs. The machine is equipped with a servo motor, which offers a quieter operation compared to traditional motors, while also enhancing energy efficiency. This motor allows for smoother speed adjustments, providing users with greater control over their sewing speed, which can be particularly advantageous when working on intricate designs or handling delicate adjustments. In terms of usage, the Juki Heavy Material Sewing Machine is straightforward, though it does require a basic understanding of sewing machinery. Users will appreciate the well-placed controls, which facilitate easy adjustments and settings. The machine's ability to handle thick layers without skipping stitches is consistently noted as a standout feature, offering peace of mind when tackling tough sewing projects. Additionally, the robust feed mechanism ensures that materials move smoothly through the machine, which is vital for maintaining an even stitch quality. In summary, the Juki Heavy Material Industrial Straight Stitch Sewing Machine, paired with its dedicated table and servo motor, represents a practical option for those who frequently work with heavy fabrics. With its solid construction, efficient motor operation, and superior stitch quality, this machine is designed to meet the needs of both professionals and dedicated sewing enthusiasts. Whether you are creating custom garments, upholstery, or other crafts, this sewing machine aims to provide the reliability and performance necessary for demanding sewing applications.